Hello. In this video, we want to find the derivative for f of x equals 100,000 divided by 1 plus 100 e to the negative 0.3x. Now notice that this is a logistic growth function, or it's a logistic function. So we want to go ahead and find the derivative, which means we want to find the rate of change of this function at any given time x. In other words, we want to find the slope of the tangent line at any point. Okay, so to do this, we're going to first realize that we have a derivative. Sorry, we have a division here, which means we need to use the quotient rule. And just a reminder for the quotient rule, if you have y equals u divided by v, that means that y prime would be v u prime minus u v prime all over v squared. In other words, it's the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, all over the bottom squared. Good. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. The numerator is just 100,000. The denominator is 1 plus 100 e to the negative 0.3x. So to take this derivative, to find f prime of x here, let's use the quotient rule. So it's going to be the bottom, 1 plus 100 e to the minus 0.3x, times the derivative of the top. And the derivative of the top is, well, it's 0 because 100,000 is a constant. And then minus the top, 100,000, times the derivative of the bottom. Now in the bottom, first we have the 1, and the derivative of 1 is 0. Then we have 100 e to the negative 0.3x. There is an exponential here, and there's also 100 there. So I'm going to rewrite the 100, so times 100, and then just rewrite e to the negative 0.3x. And then multiply by the derivative of the exponent. So the derivative of the exponent would be negative 0.3. Good. And then all over the bottom squared. So 1 plus 100 e to the negative 0.3x all squared. Awesome. We just, well, frankly, did the derivative. At this point, we need to simplify. Notice that this 0 times anything is 0, so all that goes away. Now over here, notice that we have a minus, but we also have a negative here, and this is all multiplication. So negative times a negative is positive, so the numerator will be positive here. 100,000 times 100 times 0.3. Well, 100 times 0.3, if we take this move to the two places to the right, makes that 30. So 30 times 100,000 makes that 3 million. So this is going to give me 3 million. And then just we have the e to the negative 0.3x. And then all over the denominator of 1 plus 100 e to the negative 0.3x. And then all squared. Good. And believe it or not, that's it. That's really all there is to it. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.